Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to change language on DBL. First, log into your DBL account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your user settings or profile area. This is typically found by clicking on your avatar or username in the top right corner of the screen. From there, you will find options to manage your account preferences and personal details. After accessing your preferences, you should see a section dedicated to language settings. Click on the drop-down menu, which usually displays the current language. A list of available languages will appear. Carefully review the options and choose the language you wish to use for your DBL interface. This selection will change how all text is displayed. Once you have selected your preferred language, it is crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save, Apply, or Update button, often located at the bottom of the settings page. Click this button to confirm your selection. The DBL platform will then refresh, and all text elements should now be displayed in your newly chosen language. This process usually takes only a few seconds. If the language does not update immediately, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then refresh the page. Also, double-check that you are logged into the correct DBL account. If problems persist, DBL's support team can provide further assistance. They are available to help with any technical difficulties you might encounter, ensuring a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.